Christina. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another review video. So if you guys want to see some reviews on some different products from Amazon, then definitely keep watching. So the first thing I'm going to share with you guys is this leather jacket. I got this for like a discount, but it's so amazing. I will try to insert a picture right here. Here's what the back looks like. And here's what this looks like. The front. It is so cute. David wears this every single day. The only reason he's not wearing it now is because he had to take it off to go to bed. But he basically wears it like every day, and he's worn it every day since he got it, which is like been like, I think like a week ago or something. Or a few days ago, at least a week. And it's amazing. So I will definitely link that down below. So definitely check it out. And the sizing was really good. I bought a size 9-10, I do believe. And he's turning 10 this year. So, and he fits smaller stuff usually. So the sizing's really good. So yeah, because I was trying to find something that was close to like a 9. So yay. Next thing I'm going to share with you guys is a party pack. This is a pack for my daughter Emily's birthday party, and that's in April. And this comes with the ears and the horn to put on a cake. This is a larger set, and I actually also have a smaller set. So it depends on what size her cake is, which one we'll use. But this also comes with cupcake unicorns, and they're gold. And you stick those in the cupcake, and they hang up there, and they're super cute. And then it also comes with a banner, a happy birthday banner. I will try to put a picture right here for you guys of what that whole set looks like, so you guys can see what that looks like. So that is super cute too. I would definitely suggest that if you've been looking for that for a unicorn cake or unicorn party. Next, I wanted to show you guys this blanket. It's a baby blanket, and it is actually reversible as well. It's super cute. I actually have a friend that's having a baby. So it's white and black on one side and black and white on the other side. How cute is that? It's like a thin but not too thin kind of material, but it's not too thick. So I think this will be really, really nice for the springtime and everything. I actually have a friend that's expecting a baby, and I would definitely suggest that, especially if you're looking for a gift for a baby or something, because this one's super cute. And I found, you'll have to look on this brand. I think I saw a few different designs because I had seen this on, I saw a different design. So you might look and see if they have different designs too as well, because they might have more of a girly one. Not sure. So I just thought this one was super cute. So yeah, definitely super cute. Really great quality. I really like this. Next, I have this beautiful backpack. I got this for my daughter Emily, and it's like a fabric backpack, and the straps aren't like super crappy or anything. They're really thickly padded. It looks like a really sturdy, nice quality backpack. So yeah, if you're looking for one that's different, I just don't want my kids to always have like the same backpack as everybody else at school. Like, because sometimes they get a backpack and they're like, oh, my friend has that at school. And I'm like, so this actually has a zipper pouch in here and some pockets. And then in the back, it has a little slot. And then it has a pocket. And then it actually has a pocket on the back side too. So this is one of the coolest backpacks I've ever seen on the inside, because it has lots of different sections of it. I like that. And then it has like a little leather thing at the end of the zipper. I just think it's really cute. And I think Emily would love it. And then yeah, we have the zipper pouch on the front. I think it's really pretty. And Emily was super excited and said, "Can I have that, Mom?" So I think she likes it a little bit. So if you're looking for an unconventional backpack that you can't find at the store, definitely check this one out. And then the last two things I want to share with you guys this time are thank you cards. This actually came with 5 different sets of like different designs. I'll show you guys a couple of the designs. They all basically say the same thing, but this one says thank you, and then it's got this on here. These are all black and gold, and then they're completely blank on the inside. I really, really like these because when I have people that win giveaways, I send them a thank you card or just a card, and I try to write a handwritten note. Here's another design. These are all gold with or black with a gold foil, so they're really, really pretty. Here's another one of the designs. This one says many thanks. I might as well just show them all to you guys real quick. And then, I don't know, I just thought it would be cute to have, especially since I just started a new business as well. This one says, with love and thanks. This will be perfect for my friends and stuff. I figured this would work out great for my business as well because my business colors are pink and black. So I could just use these cards if I wanted to. This is my favorite one. And then I could write on the inside with pink if I wanted to. And then it'd be pink and black. But I figured it'd be a great way to, you know, give little thank you cards to my customers as well. And people that win giveaways. And, you know, it's just always good to have thank you cards. And then I got another set of thank you cards. So I have a lot of thank you cards. I got thank you cards to last me a while. I usually get them from the dollar store. Like, I pick out some really, really cute ones, or I try to find some at the thrift store for really cheap. Because I write a lot of thank you cards and cards and notes and stuff. This one comes with brown envelopes. The other one came with white envelopes. And these are all white thank you cards. This one says thank you so much. This one actually has 6 different ones. This one says thank you so much. Just want to show you guys. This one says just thank you. And then you fold these in half. And then it's blank on the inside as well, like the other ones were. And then we have this black and white one that says thank you. Then next we have this one that says thank you. These are all basically the same thing with just different fonts. Thank you. And thanks. I like this one the most. But yeah, I really like these. I can write my own personal notes, which I like to do anyways. I try to do as much as I can. So yeah, these will be great for my businesses too. So businesses, thank you cards, notes for my friends. Awesome. So yeah, if you're looking for thank you cards, I'll have both of those linked down below as well, because I think these are really, really nice, really great thank you card sets. So if you guys like me sharing review videos with you guys, sharing different products and the links to them and kind of my thoughts on stuff, definitely give me a thumbs up so I know you guys like it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and check out the giveaways playlist for open giveaways. They'll be in the parentheses, it'll say open. And then comment down below, let me know if you've tried any of these things, or if any of these things seem really cool to you, or anything you want to say. Or just say hi. I love to hear from you guys. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.